Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to set up a savings goal in the Stash app using clear steps you can follow directly from your phone. To begin, open the Stash app and make sure you're logged into your account. On the main screen, tap the Banking tab at the bottom. This is where Stash organizes features like your spending and savings tools. Once inside the Banking section, look for an option called Goals or Create a Goal. Tap it to start setting up a new savings objective. Now, you'll need to customize your goal. Give it a name that reflects what you're saving for, like emergency fund or new car. Then, enter the total amount you want to save. You can also set a deadline to reach this goal, which helps track your progress and stay motivated. After entering those details, choose how you want to fund it. Stash gives you two main options to move money into your goal. First, you can transfer funds manually anytime you want, or you can automate your savings by setting up recurring transfers from your Stash banking account. Just choose how much to save and how often, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. This makes it easy to build savings over time without needing to remember each time. Once the goal is set, you can view your progress anytime from the Banking section. Stash displays how much you've saved and how far you are from your target. If you need to change the name, amount, or schedule, you can easily edit it right from the app. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.